Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. If you want to install ESign and install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC and without jailbreak, I'm showing you the most reliable method that works from iOS 15 all the way to iOS 26. I even tested it on iOS 18.6.2. Let's get it. First of all, simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari, and then open SKIBIDI Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on Download SKIBIDI, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iOS device. Now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Simply open it. If the ads pops up, simply hit on the top right on X mark to stop the ads. Now you will see different ESign links there. Simply hit on Get on the top ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app again. Then hit on Certificates option. Now hit on Get on the first certificate link. Then hit on More, and then hit on Save to Files, and then hit on Save to save the certificate zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open the Files folder, and then you will see the saved certificate zip file there. Simply hit on it, and then you will get a new folder with 3 files in it. One has the password. Now simply copy the password. Now open the ESign app. Then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import option, and then first select the mobile provision file from the new certificate folder. Now hit the 3 dots again, and then again hit on Import option, and then select the P12 file from the new certificate folder. Once both files are imported, now first hit on the imported mobile provision file, and then hit on Import. Then hit on Imported P12 file, and then hit on Import Certificate Management. Then simply paste the password in it, and then hit OK, and now we are good to use ESign. Now hit on 3 dots on the top, and then hit on Import option, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps. Then hit on Imported IPA file, and then hit on Signature. Now hit on More Settings, and then scroll down at bottom, and then simply enable the second last option, and then hit Signature again. Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. You now have ESign running, and you can install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a computer, and without jailbreak, even on the latest iOS 26. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.